Welcome to Premier RV Center inside a brand new 2026 252 RBLE in Surveyor's Legend series. This was by far in 2025 our most popular couples unit over 20 feet. Couples absolutely love it. It just fits a wide variety of kind of travel intents and certainly can grow with you as well if you're going to have some grander adventures and be out on the road for a longer period of time over time. So we'll take you through here both inside and outside. Just as we come in the door, we do have our ignition here for our Bluetooth speakers, so we have speakers inside and out. Just below that, we have our solar basically monitor panel, so it allows us basically to keep an eye on what's coming in. So depending on sites you go on, whether they're shaded or unshaded, you can kind of monitor how much sun you're getting, keep an eye on the whole system. You do have 400 watts currently of standard solar on the roof, so you're very off-grid capable. Kind of great one to pair with lithium batteries, 6-volt batteries. They would be ideal, and then you can certainly be out not taking powered sites all the time. A couple of key holders here, which are just below our main panel here for the kind of switches you're going to want to hit just as you come in. So awning light, porch light, we've got interior lights, mood lighting, and then we've got our awning switch as well as our slide switch here. What's great about this layout and what's people absolutely love about it is when that slide out's in, so whether it's in your driveway, whether it's first when you get to the campground, or whether it's on the road, super handy when you're heading to the campsite, you can get to everything. So the only thing that's going to be blocked is really the television and the fireplace. And so everything else, the kitchen, the bathroom, and your bedroom, you can get to. So if you just want to kind of pull into Walmart parking lot, have a rest for a while, or do an overnight, again, you've got lots of solar here. It makes it an easy unit to do that in. That you don't have to open the slide if you really don't want to. So it's there sort of when you get there. Obviously, if it's a day that's not very nice and you have to be inside, a great feature to have. So just to my right, again, easy access to the main bedroom here on the road, as I mentioned. You've got just a ton of light. So for 2026, they have increased the size of the window on the front. So you've got a lot more light coming in up front when you want it. You've got roller shades across the board here. So great feature here. Comes from sort of the high-end motorhome series here. We've got great cross ventilation. So again, if you're not necessarily on the grid all the time. Wonderful storage. So you've got 4 drawers. And then you've got pistons that'll hold everything up. So you've got great bulk storage in there for extra sheets and pillows and all that good stuff. We've got a full queen size bed, so 60 by 80. You've got just a ton of storage all the way around here. So you've got hanging storage as well as 2 drawers on either side. And then you've got the cubbies here going forward that are great for your CPAP machines. If someone has one, you've got a spot there for a cup that you're not going to knock over, so you've got a glass of water at night. We've got ducting for both AC and furnace into the bedroom. And we're going to have an emergency exit window on the first side. We're also pre-wired in here for an extra television, should you ever wish to add one. We can certainly just add the mount if you think that might be something you wish to have. And then you've got both power and USB-C on both sides of the bed here, and then LED lights throughout, so it's very, very bright. You've got an additional vent, which also helps here, so a very bright bedroom. And then you've got the pocket door, so if you do have the occasional guest that might sleep on that great wide and bright dinette, again, you can have your privacy here, which is a great feature. Very popular unit as well with a lot of my clients who are dog owners. You've got lots of space here, even if they're bigger dogs. They've got great space to lay out just below the AC. So especially if they're big like my Newfie, they're going to appreciate that cooling air for sure. You've got the great theater seats here facing right towards the TV, so you're not kinking your neck to watch a movie at night. So love that little feature here, and very, very comfortable. So a couple drink holders as well for you. You've got great storage above those as well, so good spot for extra books, media that you're going to bring with you, maybe DVDs, if you've got a collection that you like to bring with you. So again, great storage here everywhere they can. We've got the little flip-up counter here, so it could be a spot here you just throw keys when you come in the door, but certainly very practical in the kitchen area. So the backsplash that mounts just behind your stove here actually drops into your sink, so you're going to have full counter space right through to that wall. So while it may not look like a huge kitchen, it actually is really, really functional. And then you pair that with the fact that you do have a little outside Swiss Army kitchen as well, so you're going to do a lot outside, but certainly gives you lots of space here. And then you've got the space underneath this flip down for a little shoe rack, so again, you can keep things out of the way of the door. Lots of storage for all your dishes, lots of storage for pots and pans just below your sink. You'll notice here in the center, below the 3 drawers in the kitchen, you're going to have a little sweeper area for the built-in vacuum. It comes with a full range of accessories as well, so you've got a hose that will extend from bathroom to bedroom, so you can use that to certainly fully clean out the unit. Furnace is located just underneath the oversized oven, so in the last year, they've gone to a larger oven just by virtue of demand from their clients, so certainly some people appreciate, especially going into the fall Thanksgiving season, might want to do Thanksgiving on the road. You know, certainly at that point you may want to throw in a full chicken on a nice cool evening, and you know, a couple hours later you've got dinner. So even if it's not that for ourselves, I can say I use it for pots and pan storage, and it's very, very handy. You've got 3 burners up here, easy ignition here as well. Again, the glass will flip back, so even if the even if your portable backsplash here wasn't in place, you're going to have something to keep stuff off the walls. Great use of space here. You're going to notice you've got slots here for knives, so you can carry certainly a full chef's range. And then you've got the little cup here that you can use for all spatulas and things like that. So everything has a nice little spot here. You've even got additional drawers underneath the fireplace. So again, anywhere they can, they've added some storage. Your TV here is a smart TV, so you can certainly stream things to it. If you've got the ability to bring satellite in the road, you've got an unlimited phone plan you can connect. Some of the KOA certainly have satellite internet as well. So your dinette here will drop down into that bed I mentioned. So if you're under 6 feet, you're going to fit quite well here. You're going to have full storage from both the front 2 doors, but also from the top. Again, roller shades all the way around here if someone's sleeping, so they're not going to get inundated with light. Great LED light fixture here, and a huge, huge window. So if you're lucky enough to have kind of any views from that area, certainly on a cool morning, if you're sitting having coffee, making some toast, you'll be quite comfortable. Large Furrion fridge here, so 12-volt fridge, which pairs really, really well with the amount of solar you have. Again, if you're adding the proper batteries here, it's going to allow you to extend your trip and be off-grid for quite a long time. You've got your power converter just below that. It is lithium ready, so even if you're not adding lithium batteries right now, it is fully ready for that. Should mention here, microwave just above. You do have a hood range here with a fan as well built in, and then massive pantry, storage, closet, you name it, does it all. So you've got hooks in here. You've got, again, a great area here that things can't move around. They put in measures for that. And then you've got a great spot here, which could be, you know, for a couple of pairs of hiking boots, put a mat down, rubber boots. So if you've got the bad weather, especially if you're on extended trips, you've got a place to put everything. And you can certainly add a lot of command hooks on the far side there. So again, you can have just a massive amount of storage. And then you've got a massive wardrobe in the bathroom. So you've got a great big bathroom here with lots of storage. Again, you've got hanging storage in here. You've got all your shelves as well, so great spot for all your extra towels. Hanging storage behind there. 4-speed fan, so they've upgraded that in the last year. Again, ducted air right into this area. So you've got your porcelain toilet bowl here. We've got our ignition for our tankless hot water, so you've got endless hot water if you've got water on site. That certainly works well. This unit is standard equipped with heat pads, so something that is a bit of a rarity. So if you do like to push the season, the Surveyor Legend series is an excellent one for that. They do duct heat around there as well, around your tanks, but you also have that backup insurance. And then just next to that, you've got ignition for water pump, your water heater, as well as you can check all the levels of batteries, tanks. Huge shower stall here. You've got the mildew resistant screen that comes across as well, so much better than just a curtain. You've got lots of height in here. Add the skylight, so even more height. LED lights throughout. Brand new lit mirror here for you, so when you've got a spot here just below to be able to kind of leave all of life's basics that you'll use obviously every day, things like toothbrushes. Nice little accent wall here they've added for 26. So again, just little subtle touches here, which I really appreciate. But just a beautiful unit inside. We're going to show you some of the many amenities outside, and it sets up very, very well to really live outside here, which people love. And hopefully that's where we're going to find you most of the time. Just going down the steps here, you are going to have a lend-a-hand that will fold away, so you've got something to hold on to. And you've got steps here which basically will allow you to adjust the bottom feet. So if you're off camber a little bit, you can quickly dial that in. You'll notice all the anti-skid preparations here, so very, very handy. So especially in the rain when things are wet, you're not going to be sliding down those steps. Very, very handy as well if you have pets, because again, a lot easier for them to climb something. It makes them a little bit more comfortable when it's not bouncing around, because you are fully anchored to the ground, so they certainly will appreciate it as well. Made the change in the last couple of years for the glass door here, which I love. You've got a built-in window, which is very tough to see in this light, but it is there, so kind of hidden away, so you can kind of see what's happening outside. So up front, again, we mentioned that big window. Huge window on the front here, bringing in lots of light. Huge stone guard, so if you're going sort of off-grid up north, you're going to find that you're well prepared there. You've got a standard power tongue jack, 2 20-pound tanks, so easily to exchange. Lots of room for multiple batteries. Again, for this amount of solar, something like 6 volts or lithium would be an ideal pairing. You've got a battery cutoff switch, so even if you switch the batteries to off and nothing in the trailer is running, that solar is still going to be charging those batteries up front. A little black box next to the red kill switch there is going to be the relay for your tire pressure monitor sensor. So you have a full onslaught of tire pressure monitoring system here. You've got a little screen that'll go in your vehicle as well. You've got 4 oversized jacks, so lots of stability. You've got great pass-through storage here. So this is the griddle with the cast iron top that's already pre-seasoned for you. That'll drop into location here just at the end in our outside kitchen. And just beyond that, we've got our little sink basin here that's for our outside sink. It does come with the adapter for your drill or impact. We've got a light for our interior lights. We've got also USB charging, so great if you're outside. You want to keep an eye on things outside, but you need to charge a device. You can tuck it in there out of the sun and quickly do that. Love the fact you've got a 20-foot awning here extending from the front compartment all the way to the very back. This is where you're going to live, and especially with that much shade. Goodyear tires are still the standard here, so something that people love. Get a name brand tire that certainly they stand behind their products. You've got the exterior speakers which connect into the Bluetooth system, LED light running the full length here. Again, we've got our little Swiss Army kitchen here, so our griddle that we just saw will drop right onto here. We are going to have a gas line here as well, so you could integrate a little barbecue with that if it's a quick connect system. Our sink will drop in here. We've got hot and cold water just right here. And then we've got, again, additional fridge should you have power on site. That'll give you a great little drink and snack fridge outside, so you can really do everything with it. I love the fact that Surveyor still keeps the rear hitch, so it's well set up to carry, say, e-bikes or just regular bikes in the back, so you've got a couple £100 to work with there. You've got a pre-set up for a optional ladder, which we keep in stock, and there is also a pre-wire for a backup camera in the future, should you wish to have one. Standard spare tire here, LED lights on the exterior as well, so very bright rolling down the road at night. Everyone will see you. You've got 30 amp service here at the back to run our AC. We've got our black tank flush, which will help keep our sensors clean on our black tank. And so when you're hooked to actual sewer on site, you can hook up to fresh water there. And then we've got cable and satellite here as well. So for our connection, slide it's going to come out about 3.5 feet. You saw that massive window from the inside. It's quite impressive, really lets in a lot of light, especially on a darker day. That's when you really tend to appreciate it here. And then we've got easy access for winterization to our Suburban on-demand hot water tank. We've got city water connection if you've got it on site. And here's our water fill for filling some water, putting some in the tank on the road, or if you've got a site that's dry, you can quickly fill up when you get to the campsite, keep the weight out of it. This is going to come in at under 6,000 pounds, so it is very, very versatile in terms of a lot of tow vehicles. Certainly full-size SUVs, but just a wide range of trucks that can tow something like this. Under 30 feet tip to tail, which is going to let it into all the national parks, and that's why they gear the size 25.2 for the body, and then tip to tail 29.7. So you, again, can meet that criteria to basically be able to hit any site in North America that you wish. Certainly invite you out to come have a look at this brand new 252 RBLE in Surveyor's Legend series.